Welcome back to Buy Smart, the ultimate channel for product comparisons. Today, we're exploring the Shark S3501 Steam Pocket Mop and the Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop. It's a showdown of steam cleaning supremacy. First up, let's discuss the price. The Shark S3501 is priced at $89, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking to clean their floors without breaking the bank. Reviewers appreciate its affordability, especially for its effectiveness on various floor types. On the other hand, the Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off is priced at $144. While it's more expensive, many users feel the investment is worth it, especially given its versatility with 13 included tools. Some reviewers even liken it to a Swiss Army knife for cleaning, making it a great choice for pet owners. Next, we delve into cleaning power. The Shark S3501 boasts the ability to eliminate dirt and grime using just water, and many users have praised its effectiveness on hardwood and tile floors. Reviewers rave about how it leaves their floors looking new without any streaks or residue. In contrast, the Bissell PowerFresh claims to eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria, making it a favorite among those who prioritize sanitation. Users have reported impressive results on tough stains and dirty grout, elevating it to the status of a germ-fighting ninja in their cleaning arsenal. Versatility is our next category. The Shark S3501 is specifically designed for sealed hard floors, which is great for straightforward cleaning. However, many reviewers noted that it lacks attachments for above-floor cleaning. The Bissell PowerFresh, however, is a 2-in-1 steam mop that can handle both floors and above, making it an ideal choice for pet owners and those who want to clean multiple surfaces. Reviewers love how it can transition easily from mopping floors to cleaning countertops and even ceiling fans. When it comes to ease of use, both mops heat up in just 30 seconds, making them quick to grab when a spill occurs. Reviewers of the Shark appreciate its lightweight design and straightforward operation, though some wish for a power switch to avoid constant plugging and unplugging. The Bissell, with its longer 25-foot power cord, allows for extended cleaning without needing to switch outlets, which many users find convenient. Reviewers have noted that both mops are easy to maneuver, but the Bissell edges out in terms of reach and versatility. Finally, let's discuss accessories. The Shark comes with 2 washable microfiber pads, making it easy to maintain cleanliness without additional purchases. Reviewers appreciate the simplicity of this system. However, the Bissell PowerFresh shines with its 13 versatile tools, allowing users to customize their cleaning experience. Reviewers have expressed excitement over the various attachments, especially for deep cleaning grout and other tough areas, making it feel like a cleaning wizard. In summary, the Shark S3501 Steam Pocket Mop is praised for its affordability and effectiveness on hard floors, making it a great choice for those seeking simplicity. Meanwhile, the Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop is celebrated for its versatility and deep cleaning capabilities, especially for pet owners. Both products have their strengths, catering to different cleaning needs. Thanks for watching. Which mop do you prefer, the Shark S3501 or the Bissell PowerFresh? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for product links. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart.